Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, today we will discuss the chapter 8 of English literature. The name of the book is Open Sky and the name of the chapter is Hansel and Gretel. Dear students, this is the story of this brother and sister. Hansel is a boy and Gretel is a girl. And the age of these two brother and sister near about 12 years. Okay students, and this is there is also a witch in this story. Okay students, it is given at the page number 67, 68 and 69. Dear students, just open your book of Open Sky and we will discuss this story in detail. Just see page number 67. Just see, once upon a time a very poor woodcutter lived in a tiny cottage in the forest with his two children, Hansel and Gretel. Dear students, once upon a time there was a woodcutter who had two children, one boy and one girl. The name of the boy is Hansel and the name of the girl is Gretel. Okay, they used to live in a teeny cottage. Teeny means a small cottage. Cottage means hut. Okay, so you see, Hansel and Gretel had a stepmother, and Hansel and Gretel had not real mother. Had a stepmother, that is not real mother. It means the mother of Hansel and Gretel is no longer more, and they had stepmother. Okay, it means their fathers took another marriage. Just see, had a stepmother who did not like them, and the stepmother did not like them, did not like Hansel and Gretel. Why? Just see here. She always told the woodcutter to send them away, and the stepmother of Hansel and Gretel always used to say the woodcutter, the father of Hansel and Gretel, to leave them away. Okay? She always told the woodcutter, send them away, and there is not enough food in the house for all of us. And she used to say that, the stepmother of Hansel and Gretel used to say that, send them away, because there is not enough food in the house. And you see, there are too many mouths to feed. We must get rid of them. And the mother, the stepmother used to say to the woodcutter that there are so many mouths to eat. It means there are so many persons to eat. But they cannot give food. She cannot give food, Hansel and Gretel, because she did not like them. She did not like Hansel and Gretel. And she has no love, compassion towards Hansel and Gretel because she was a stepmother. Okay? Just see. There is not enough food in the house for all of us. There are too many mouths to feed. We must get rid of them. And she used to say that she wanted to get rid of them. Get rid of them. Get rid of means freedom. She wanted to get rid of them. The stepmother wanted to get rid of them. These two men, two boys, two children, Hansel and Gretel. Okay students, in the first paragraph it is written that once upon a time there was a woodcutter who had two children, Hansel and Gretel, and Hansel and Gretel do not have the real mother. Okay, they had a stepmother who does not like them, and she said that, the stepmother said that there are so many mouths to eat, to feed. Therefore, he always used to say the woodcutter to leave, to send them away, to send them away. Okay students, come to the next paragraph. take them far into the forest. She said that, the stepmother said that what? Take them far into the forest so they can never find their way back home. She said that, the stepmother said that, send them in the deep forest so that could not return. They could not return back to the home. Just see, she shouted at the woodcutter, and she always used to shout at the woodcutter to send them away, to send in the forest these two children, Hansel and Gretel. Finally, the woodcutter did as he was told, and finally the woodcutter did as the stepmother of Hansel and Gretel said. And what he did? Just see. He took the children into the forest, and the father of Hansel and Gretel took them into the forest. Gretel took some breads along with him, and Hansel, just see students, Gretel took some bread along with him. Yes, students, there would be Hansel. Okay, because Gretel is the name of a girl. Gretel took some bread along with her and dropped the crumbs on the way. And she dropped the crumbs. Crumbs means pieces of bread. She dropped some pieces of bread in the forest. On the way, while going to the forest, on the way, Gretel dropped some crumbs. Crumbs means pieces of bread. कुछ छोटे छोटे रोटियों का टुकड़ा क्या करती थी, वो गिरा के चलती थी, ताकि जब उसके फादर उसको छोड़कर वापस आए तो वो उसी सहायता से उसी ब्रेड क्रम्स को देखते हुए वापस घर पे आ जाए. But what happened next? You see, she wanted to mark the way to back home. She wanted to mark the home. She wanted to mark the way back home. And with the help of that breadcrumbs, she wanted to mark the way to back home. Okay, students? Just see, come to the next paragraph. Their fathers left them in the jungle and returned home. But what happened? Their father left them in the jungle and returned. Now the Hansel and Gretel in the forest are in the forest. And what happened? Hansel and Gretel wanted to go back home too. And they also wanted to go back home too. Because in the forest they were afraid of. With so many things. Just see. Hansel and Gretel wanted to go back home. They looked for the breadcrumbs. And now they were searching the breadcrumbs where the Gretel has dropped. Just see. They looked for the breadcrumbs to find their way back. वो breadcrumbs जो गिराई हुई थी उसको खोज रही थी कि कहाँ गिराई है, उसके थ्रू वो फॉरेस्ट से बाहर चली जाए. Just see. लेकिन क्या होता है आगे? The birds of the forest had eaten the breadcrumbs. But the birds of the forest had eaten the breadcrumbs. They were truly lost. Now, in this way, both brother and sister truly lost in the forest. Okay? They have forgotten the way to the home. How will they return now? Just see. I am frightened, said Gretel. Gretel said that. The girl said that. She was frightened. She was frightened. But they walked and walked till they come to the strange cottage in the middle of the forest. They were afraid of. But they walked and walked and walked. And in this way they reached in the middle of the forest. There was a strange cottage. There was a strange cottage in the middle of the forest. Come to the next paragraph. This is chocolate. And shouted Hansel, breaking a piece of cottage. And when they reached in the forest, in the middle of the forest, they saw a strange cottage that is made of chocolate. A strange cottage that is made of chocolate. Hansel shouted, breaking up a piece of cottage. Breaking a piece of cottage. Hansel shouted that this is the chocolate. The cottage is made of chocolate. They were very happy and started eating the piece of sweet cottage. And now both brother and sister were very happy to see the chocolate cottage. You see, they were very happy and started eating the pieces of the sweet cottage. And now they started, because they were hungry also, they started to eat the pieces of the hut that was made of chocolate. Okay, students? So come to the next paragraph. We will stay here, said Hansel. Hansel said that we will stay here in this cottage because that is very good cottage and that is made of chocolate, and here we can also get food. We can always get the chocolate to eat. You see, we will stay here, said Hansel. They were just about to try a piece of the biscuit dough, and now they were going to break a piece of dough, piece of biscuit that was dough, and when it slowly opened. At that time, when they were going to break the piece of the dough that was also made of biscuits, the dough was made of biscuit. When they went there to break the pieces of that biscuit, the door opened. And now what happened? You see. Well, well, said an old woman coming out of the cottage. And there a sound occurs from the inside of the forest, inside of the cottage. What was that sound? Well, well, said an old woman. There was an old woman who was coming, who was approaching towards Hansel and Gretel, and was coming out of the cottage. Come in, come in, the old lady said. The old woman said. That old woman was witch, which means a woman with supernatural power. In Hindi we call Chudail. Okay, just see. Come in, you have nothing to be afraid of. That woman said that you have nothing to be afraid of. No need to worry, no need to be afraid. Just see, you have nothing to be afraid of, went on the old woman. And by saying the word that no need to be worried, no need to be afraid of, the lady, that old woman, reached near the Hansel and Gretel. Okay, students, come to the next paragraph. Hansel and Gretel did not know that that sugar cottage belonged to an old witch, and the Hansel and Gretel did not know that this chocolate cottage belonged to the old witch woman. The old woman witch, that was witch. You see, belonged to an old witch. They did not know that this chocolate house, this chocolate cottage belonged to the old witch. You are nothing but skin and bones, said the witch, looking Hansel into the cage. And looking Hansel into the cage, the old witch said that, what she said? She said that you are nothing, only skin and bones. There is no flesh. There is only the Hansel was too slim. That the old witch said that you have nothing. You are nothing but skin and bones. There is no places in the body of Hansel. And I will make you fat, then eat you up. And that old witch said that I will make you fat then. First of all, she will make fat Hansel. Then after she will eat the fleshes of the Hansel. Okay? Just see. You are nothing but skin and bones, said the witch, locking Hansel into the cage. Locking Hansel into the cage, she said that you are nothing, only bones and what? Bones and skin. I will make you fat and then eat you up. The witch said that she will make fat first of all, then she will eat the Hansel. And now she only locked Hansel, not Gretel. Why? Just see. The witch did not lock the Gretel. Why? She locked the Hansel, but she did not lock the Gretel. Why? Just see. She made her to do the work of the house. She made her to do the work of the house because she wanted to take some work from the Gretel. Therefore, she did not lock her in the lockup, in the prison. And she locked the Hansel in the prison. You see. The witch had a big eyesight, and the witch had a big bad eyesight. You can see in the picture. It is given the picture of witch in your book. You can see the witch had very bad eyesight. Let me feel your finger. She said that let her feel the fingers of Hansel. She said and touched the Hansel finger every day. She used to touch the finger and bodies of Hansel. She wanted to find out if he was getting fatter. She wanted to find out that the Hansel was getting fatter or not, because she kept him in the prison for making fat, so that she could eat the fleshes of Hansel, because he was so slim. There is only skin and bones in the body of Hansel. She wanted to find out if he was getting fatter. She wanted to find out. Every day she used to touch the fingers and body of the Hansel to check out that Hansel is getting fatter or not. Okay students, come to the next paragraph. One day Gretel gave her brother a chicken bones. One day Gretel gave her brother a chicken bones, because Gretel used to do all the domestic chores in the house of witch. So when the witch went to touch his finger, and when the witch went to touch his finger, Hansel held him in the chicken bones, and Hansel held out the chicken bones. Hansel held out the chicken bones. You are still too thin, shouted the witch. The witch shouted that you are still a thin. You are not getting fatter and fatter. Okay, now the witch is angry with the Hansel because he was not getting fat. Okay students, so dear students, you mark it up to here. You are still too thin, shouted the witch. Up to this you mark. In the next class we will discuss the rest of the stories which is given at the page number 69. Dear students, in this way today we have read the half of the story which is given at the page number 67 and 68. In the next class we will discuss the complete story which is given at the page number 69 also. Okay, you will try to read it. If you find any kind of difficulties, you can ask on WhatsApp, and your homework is to complete the word meaning of this chapter in your notebook. Okay students, so that's all for today. In the next class we will discuss the rest of the story. Thank you.